So on daily time frame, Pidilite has formed a head and shoulders pattern, and as per the candlestick, it has already broken this neckline. So and it is also below 20, below 30 for as far as RSI is considered. So below 30, it is bearish, and if it stalls there for a longer time, then we can say it is oversold. But as of now, it has just entered this bearish zone. Now this level where the neckline was formed, it was a very strong support zone. That was around 775, because that was earlier a resistance zone, and now it has become a support zone. So 1, 2, and 3. So this was a triple bottom pattern, and now fourth time it came down. That it broke that neckline, but even now we are not sure, because today's candle closing is very important for Pidilite. Now, if we enable this pivot points, so it is near the S1 zone. So let's note down this point by point. First of all, on daily time frame, head and shoulders broke neckline. 765 was a strong support zone, and earlier triple bottom. So it means tested three times. This support zone was tested three times, and now for the fourth time it has come to the same zone. So now price is at S1 of monthly. Let's go to a slightly lower time frame, which is hourly time frame. So as you can see, S1 of weekly and S1 of monthly both are at similar levels. Just a 4 rupees of difference is there. So for on weekly time frame, so on hourly time frame, we get a weekly pivot point, which is around 771. And if I go to higher time frame, I get a monthly pivot, which is around 767. So this zone is also a strong support zone for Pidilite. It is also to be watched out for today or for this week. So if this week passes by, we get a new pivots for next week. Only two things can happen here now in Pidilite. Either this needs to be broken, so bearishness is expected, or a bounce back from here can happen. But we need a clear candle pattern for that to confirm. And if we go to lower time frame, it is intraday. So even in intraday also, we have a strong support zone here, S1, which is near 764. So one thing can be seen here, a pure bullish divergence is happening. So price made a new low. At the same time, RSI made a higher low. Very strong sign of bullishness seen here. So if it manages to take support and form a good bullish candlestick pattern here, so we can expect a bounce back. And for today, we can expect it until 775 only. So because that is the strong resistance zone for Pidilite now. Yesterday it broke that 775 level, and now it is at 767. So if Pidilite respects this bullish divergence, we can expect it to go until there, and then it might stall there for some time, and only on Monday we get a clear picture for Pidilite, because results are expected very soon. So on lower time frame, that is 15-minute, strong bullish divergence. This bullish divergence, it is coinciding with weekly pivot S1. So these are the levels for Pidilite. On daily time frame, head and shoulders pattern, which is sign of bearishness, and it tested this 765 zone for three times till now, and then now it is there for the fourth time. And this 765 was a strong resistance zone earlier, and now it is acting as a strong support zone. But price has already broken that, but now it is trading at 767. And now 767, that price is S1 of monthly and S1 of weekly. So Pidilite is, to be precise, Pidilite is at a very important crucial level. So from here, either it can bounce back or it can go further down. And in 15 minutes, we have a strong bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. And this bullish divergence, it is coinciding with weekly pivot point S1. So if it takes support at S1 and then it bounces back for intraday, our first target would be this area around 771, and the second target would be this area, which is around 775. So these were the levels for so here let me note down the target also. If it bounces back from here, 770 is my first target, target 1, and 775 is target 2, because that 775, it is coinciding with today's central pivot point also.